This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Roku remote into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So it depends on what kind of remote you have. If you flip over the battery tray here and you see no pairing button, you're going to have to use the back button and home button. Otherwise, if you have that pairing button back here, all you have to do is just hold it down for like 5 to 10 seconds and it will connect your remote up to your Roku device. Otherwise, if you just have the one with the back button and the home button up here, you just have to press and hold these down for about 5 to 10 seconds and just be in clear range and close enough to your TV to connect. So just hold these down now and you should see a light that's flashing on the top of the screen. That's indicating it's going to be connecting to your TV or in the Bluetooth pairing mode at least. So you can see it's flashing there, and usually this will connect now up to your TV. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.